Hey guys, hope you are doing well today. We have an amazing day. I tried to make a live from the beach, but the internet connection was really bad. So I just decided to come back in the house and starting again. So now I am here. Sounds working well. And let's get into our today's crypto news. I'm Miklos Denkler from CorionX and bringing you the most important crypto-related news every day. You see that few coins are pumping really well. Flow 26%, perp 22%, BCH 47%, and Link 8%, Quant 6%, STX 8.5%, and few coins like AMP is minus 10%, but AMP pumped really well in the past few weeks. Helium is up 5%. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index, and see yesterday it was a neutral, and now it's also in neutral, but 53. So moved up 3 on this scale. So the investor sentiment getting better and better, and fear is disappearing, and we are now in the neutral and going into the greed. And as you know, we spent the last 2.5 months in the extreme fear category around 20 and 25, and now this crypto and fear index just broke up and reached 50, and it seems to be remaining about 50 for now. We are closing the month and also the week tomorrow, so it's quite important how the Bitcoin price and other crypto assets will close this week. Let's get into the news. The first news is Bitcoin exchange outflows hit 5-year high, address activity shoots 30%. So that was the news a few days ago that address activity is just slowing down. And now we see that it's shooting up. And also there is a huge outflow. So the biggest outflow from the exchanges 5 years. Okay, so the net outflows from exchanges since mid-2016 with exchange balances dropping by 60,000 Bitcoin. Watching to see, I have got a continued decline of exchange balances in the coming weeks. Let's make this chart bigger. This chart is here. He's an analyst, a young guy, I think 90. Sold. Bitcoin has seen a resurgence in active entities over the week, rising by 30 from 2,500 to 325,000 active entities per day. This degree of activity was sustained in July 2020 when BTC prices were around 11,000 in Q. Let's make this bigger. We see that the activity on the Bitcoin blockchain shooted up 30%, increased 30% during a few weeks now. And also we see that Bitcoin price is also shooting up. So that seems to be that the last time when it started to increase, then this huge movement started in the Bitcoin price. Okay, so let's check this all exchange balances outflow. So you see this huge spike. This is one of the biggest outflow since 2016 July. So one of the biggest outflow, and we see when the dump happened in May and also last week, that was a huge inflow because more and more investors sold Bitcoin on exchanges. But now we see this outflow. That means investors bought Bitcoin on exchanges and they are withdrawing it to their cold wallets because they wanting to store it for a long term. So let's get what we other things we do have. A heat map of total coins absorbed by shrimps staking their sats each day. No signs or a bear market in sight. Shrimps equals holders of less than 1 BTC across all of their addresses. Shrimps control the middle and the late stage of a bull market. I think this is from Willy Woo, and you see then shrimps just increasing their balances. So entities holding below 1 BTC, they are increasing the balances, and this is the sign when they are popping up that we are getting closer to the end of the bull market. But now, as you see, now we are not close to anywhere to the top, according to this analysis. Okay, interesting. The blockchain has touched another milestone, which is total users crossing 114 million for the first time. So that's huge, guys. That's huge. And thanks for the on-chain analyst getting these amazing charts. Let's see the next on-chain analysis also about the exchange balances plummeting. Two massive outflows today. One worst 23,000 BTC this morning. Another batch worth 40,000 BTC about a half hour ago. So we see this huge outflow from exchanges. So you see that what a big amount that flow out from exchanges. And we see the Bitcoin price is also somehow correlated. As less and less Bitcoins are stored on exchanges, then people are less and less willing to sell those Bitcoins. So they are ready to hold it for a long term. Bitcoin price outlook. Okay. So we are hovering around 40,000 now, break down a little bit from the triangle, but we will check the technicals on the chart. The next piece of news, technical analysis, Ethereum outspaces Bitcoin. Why bulls aim larger increase? Okay, so Ethereum is up 5% and broke the 240 resistance against the US dollar. ETC price outpaced Bitcoin and seems like there are chances of more gains about 2,450. But now the price dropped a little bit back. The resistance is at 2,320, 2,300. So we should check these levels. So 2,380 and 2,320. Okay. So what we do have, MACD in the bullish zone, RSI lower from the overbought zone, major support 2,340, major resistance 2,450. Let's check it on the chart. Let's get into Ethereum. And okay, so where is Ethereum? Here is Ethereum. This is, let's switch to 4-hourly chart, and we see on the 4-hourly chart, we see that Ethereum formed a W pattern. And you all know that here is the neckline of this W pattern, and we have the target at 3,000 US dollar. And Ethereum now starting to break up this level, but due Bitcoin dropped today morning. That is why Ethereum also dropped, and now is hovering around this resistance level. And the next support is at 2,340 and 2,320. So now we are around this resistance. So Ethereum should hold these levels, and then we will have a nice upside movement by Ethereum. Okay, the next piece of news. Germany's institutional funds can hold 20% in crypto starting August 2. So that was the news that special funds can hold Bitcoin maximum 20% in their portfolio. But now it seems to be that other institutional funds can hold 20% in crypto starting from Monday. Okay, special funds category to invest Bitcoin, BTC, and other cryptocurrencies. Germany manages a staggering 1.8 trillion euros, 2.1 trillion US dollars. So the 20% would be almost, let's see, 400 billion that they can invest in crypto. Most funds will not initially stay well below the 20% mark. On the one hand, institutional investors such as insurers have strict regulatory requirements for their investment strategies. And on the other hand, they must also want to invest in crypto. So they will invest in crypto, but not starting with the 20% maximum. So they will just scaling in a few percent, adding few percent, getting some rewards, making some profits, getting some more confidence, and adding more and more to their investments. Breaking news: 32.6 trillion US dollar asset management firm to offer crypto services to provide clients. State Street Corporation, one of the top asset management group with 42.6 trillion US dollar worth of asset management, has announced it would start offering crypto to their clients. The growth in popularity of digital assets is showing no signs of a shadow, and State Street Digital is committed to continuing to build out the necessary infrastructure for further develop our digital asset servicing models to help meet our clients' growing demands. So clients have growing demands, and they are fulfilling these demands, building out the infrastructure, providing crypto investments. Congratulations. We will see more and more huge funds, big institutions, asset management funds will come and investing in crypto and providing investment services to their clients. Elon Musk hints Tesla owns about 42,000 Bitcoins. Okay, as of June 30th, 2021, the carrying value of our digital assets was 1.3 billion, which reflects cumulative impairments of 50 million. The fair market value of such digital assets had as of June was 1.47 billion. Okay, so that's huge. I don't know how much did they sold. There was a news percent of their total holdings, just if the market is liquid, if they can sell Bitcoins without influencing the price. And now let's get into our next news. Banks. Bank of America, one of the oldest banks in the States, and FTX Exchange and Coinbase Ventures join 300 million investments in Paxos. Bank of America's investments reflects Paxos' growing importance in the crypto industry. So they are now strategic investors in Paxos. We know that Paxos is a stablecoin and a tokenization platform. The New York-based Paxos is a low-profile but increasingly important player in the crypto industry. So they are not providing services to retail clients, but they are providing services and infrastructure to other companies. And also they have Paxos Gold, and they have Paxos, the stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, and the Paxos Gold is to the gold. So, and now they are just cooperating with these big banks and big crypto exchanges. The next piece of news is MicroStrategy pledges to add more Bitcoin to corporate balance sheet. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor struck a defiant tone during a Q2 investor call, pledging to add more Bitcoin to its balance sheet while continuing to advocate for the cryptocurrency. So that's a huge news. So they will invest more and more assets in Bitcoin. And I think maybe MicroStrategy's investors are just worrying that it's over leveraged or somehow, but I think it will turn around as a good decision. Huge news from PayPal. PayPal to expand its crypto service offering to the UK. So that's huge. So they are offering crypto services in the United States, and also that was a news yesterday. So results with the PayPal crypto services have exceeded expansion in the US and now in the United Kingdom. We are actually looking at our crypto services to help position PayPal to help shape the role of cryptocurrencies and CBDCs in consumer payments, commerce, and financial services safely and securely. So they are coming in crypto, they are coming in DeFi, and also in CBDCs. We are significantly investing in our new crypto, blockchain, and digital currencies business unit in order to help shape this more inclusive future. And also, there was a news yesterday that PayPal's crypto super app set roll out soon, and super app will allow to invest by yield farming and also doing other crypto-related stuff. And 400 million active users and 311 billion total payment volume on the second quarter of 2021. And also Venmo has 76 million active accounts. We are one of the few payment companies to allow consumers to use cryptocurrency and funding source, said the PayPal CEO. And also we are seeing strong adoption and trading of crypto on Venmo. So they are expanding their crypto services, and also they are adding new regions like UK. The next piece of news, Coca-Cola brings first NFTs to Ethereum metaverse. So guys, Coca-Cola is coming into the crypto space through NFTs. Coca-Cola will auction an NFT pack of 4 digital collectibles to commemorate International Friendship Day. I think maybe today is the International Friendship Day. Yes, today is the Friendship Day. Friendship box packed with 4 one-of-one NFT collectibles. Coca-Cola will donate all proceeds from the OpenSea auction to Special Olympics International, and this is running on Ethereum. So welcome Coca-Cola on Ethereum. And also that was the news yesterday, and also a huge mutual funds in the US. ProFunds launches first publicly available Bitcoin mutual funds, and this is also huge because these fund managers also managing billions of US dollars, and now they are launching these Bitcoin mutual funds. Okay, it's on. The next piece of news, that we know that Addis is going again. So they are just contacting the Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, also the SEC, and now its own Elizabeth Warren triggers a retaliation from the crypto community. Okay, I think it's not so interesting, but the most important things, if banks had the transparency of DeFi protocols, we wouldn't have had the mortgage crisis. DeFi will win because it's better automatic settlement, better assets, composability, transparency. This is from Mike Novogratz. So I think that's so true. We have more Ethereum related news. I will make a dedicated video about Ethereum. Now let's check what's happening on the crypto end. Bitcoin is at 38,000, and we see almost plus minus and just a side-waving movement, so nothing special on the market. And let's check what the Bitcoin price is doing. We already analyzed Ethereum. We hope Ethereum will break this 2,400 level and then starting its bull run towards 3,000 US dollar, and that would mean that Ethereum changed its trend, and that would mean a trend reversal. W patterns always are trend reversal, and also we see that we broke this upward trending trend line, and this W can change the trend for Ethereum. Let's see what the Bitcoin chart is showing to us. On a daily, yes, had this falling wedge. We broke up from the falling wedge, almost reached our price target, but this 21,000 US dollars stopped the Bitcoin to increase further, and now it's correcting, but it's better. So we see not a huge drop back to the 35,000 levels, but just we have seen higher highs, higher lows, but there was not too many movement in this 4-hourly, but now we see also a higher low. So after this, we see another higher low, hopefully. So this symmetrical triangle broke down, exactly almost reached the price target, and now it's also trending back, and we have week close and also monthly close today, and starting a new month on Sunday. So it would be great to see Bitcoin at least consolidating in this range and not dropping below our previous low at 36,300. So this 36,300 would be nice to hold as a resistance, and the next 35,000. So until we are coming back to 35,000, I think there is no reason to worry. But if we would broke down the 35,000, that we might not we'll see consolidation and upward movement from here, and also Bitcoin can reverse this downward trend if it would break the 31,000 and also 41 and 42,000 levels. So that's it for now. Most of the altcoins are in green. Definitely push the like, smash the subscribe button and the bell notification all, and also check out the yesterday video about staking. You will find juicy APRs on PancakeSwap, on CorionX, and then how you stake your coins and passive income. So please guys, smash the like, push the bell notification all, share the video with your friends, and share the video in Telegram groups, and see you